What's up guys, Tony here with High Tech Check, and today we're going to be taking a look at a couple brand new watch bands for your brand new 46mm Galaxy watch. Now I've done quite a few watch bands for the Gear S3 Frontier and this Galaxy watch, but I've never had any that are silver. And I really have to say, I'm a big fan of black, but this silver looks amazing on this Galaxy watch. The contrast between the silver and then the black bezel just looks, in my opinion, amazing. So we're going to take a look at a couple stainless steel watch bands today, and this is our first one. I received these from Amazon. They are both, like I said, universal 22mm, so you can use these with other watches. And you can get both of these come in a pack for about $21. You really can't beat that. Now, it comes with this watch band here. It also comes with the mesh watch band, which is really nice because this lets your skin breathe throughout the little holes. And as you can see, I have pretty hairy wrists, and neither one of these bands ever caught my, the hair on my wrist. So that's a really great thing because I hate watch bands that, catch your hair if you have any. It doesn't feel really good. So comes with these two watch bands. You get your link remover, which comes with a couple extra parts just in case the first one broke. It also comes with two extra quick release rods. I say that because two of these aren't in the mesh loop band, so it comes with really two extra. Or if you want to count the one that's already in here, you could use between, then it comes with four, either way. So again, here is the first band. It's all stainless steel. Does not feel cheap at all. Very well built. It has a little heft to it. It's got that quick release. Nice snap on it. If you want to open it up, you just push the two levers on the side and it opens up. And my wrists are about 7 inches. This band can accommodate size wrists from about 5 inches to 8.5 inches. Like I said before, that silver looks really nice. I definitely recommend getting a silver band if you don't already have one. Very classy. Like I said, there's that quick release. Very easy. Snaps in place. Pretty tight. Okay guys, so here is the mesh loop stainless steel band. It's nice and thick. It's got some good heft to it. It's got a nice strong magnet on there, so you don't have to worry about it coming loose on your wrist. And it just looks so nice in that silver. Now this particular band can accommodate wrists from 5.3 inches to 8.1. Again, my wrists are about 7 inches, and I have trouble getting this over my hands. So if you have big hands, you might have a little bit of a problem getting it over your hand to get onto your wrist. I can get it on if I, take this and put it all the way there. I can squeeze it on. But again, it's really going to be a trial and error type thing. So here it is on my wrist. As you can see, it fits perfectly fine. You have plenty of loop left just in case your wrists are a little bigger. And the one thing that I like about these magnetic mesh loop bands is you can adjust the size very easily. If you like it nice and tight, you can adjust it tight, or you can make it a little looser. There's no there's no links to take out or anything. It's just very easy, quick adjustments. But I think that looks really nice. Again, this is a nice strong magnet, so you don't have to worry about it moving, and it has like a little rubber gasket around it to help it even more. Again, my wrists are about 7 inches, as you can see. It's got plenty of loop left. The only bad thing is getting it over your hand. So if you have big hands, that's something to consider. But other than that, I love the band. I definitely recommend you guys take a look at these bands. They're definitely worth it, and you can get them over on Amazon.com right now. It comes in 3 different colors. There's this silver, there's rose gold, and black. The black edition does come in an extra large just in case you guys need a little bigger band, which is really nice. I will be putting a link in the description below to this band on Amazon, and if you guys love my channel and want to support me, please use that link. It'll help me out a lot. And that's pretty much it. Yeah, like I said before, you guys really can't go wrong for $20 and everything you get with these two bands. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you know when I put out new videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.